Okay, guys, this is for the 5th day of Christmas, I think it was. We're going live. Time is 8:04 a.m. Eastern. Oops. Go to the list. Names in, we go 3 times in the clubhouse. Timestamp 6:05 a.m. Eastern, first random. 8:05, sorry, not 6:05. Second random. And third and final random, 8:05 a.m. Eastern. Just to show we went 2 times already. This is the third and final random, guys. Good luck. Jack Turner. You win number 5. We've gone 3 times. Sean. 8:05 a.m. Eastern, guys. Jack Turner. What the heck is going on? Here we go. Let me put that over here first. We're done. Time 8:06 a.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys.